Welcome to your next favorite outdoor dining solution with the Vaian multi-piece set featuring a sturdy table and 6 stackable chairs. This set is perfect for courtyards, gardens, porches, and poolside areas, providing comfortable seating for multiple guests. The chairs fold easily and stack to save space when not in use, making storage simple and efficient. Crafted from high-strength steel with a durable powder coating, this furniture resists weather and corrosion for long-lasting enjoyment. The breathable, quick-drying fabric on the seats ensures comfort even on hot days, while the metal frames stay rust-free. The table supports up to 300 pounds and offers ample space for dining and entertaining outdoors. Transform your outdoor living area with this stylish, practical dining set designed for lasting durability and comfort. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.